What's up, guys? I'm Zach, and this is Lighting Up Orchard. I just wanted to jump on here and do an unboxing video. I'm not sponsored by this pixel company or anything. I just like to do some unboxes, and then if there's a few surprises in the box, which several companies do, I just like to give a shout out. It's pretty cool to open up and get a few goodies that you weren't expecting. So I did order some pixels from Visionary. I've never ordered from this vendor before. I just needed some extra pixels, and then I'll be ordering a few more things in the next few days. But what I noticed when I opened the box was this bag of goodies. So specifically, of course, some stickers, which if you're like me, I love stickers. I have a garage fridge. I like to put them on. And then this little sheet right here that lists kind of all the freebies they gave. So 10 X-Connect plugs, which are very handy at the end of your runs. If you use pixels, just kind of plugged so that moisture or water doesn't get in there. Some Try Me white standoff clips for PVC on the side of your home to run a vertical or a window, hang a window. Black shingle clips, a couple of gutter clips, and closet savers, stackable clothes, and then some shopping cart quarters. So pretty cool. And then just a little piece of seed pixels, maybe just to have them in your hand, or maybe they snap into one of these and you can kind of see how they fit. And then of course a couple of company pins. So very cool of them. And then of course some zip ties, and then just my pixels. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and, like I said, do an unboxing, give a shout out. Well, I've gotten some pretty cool goodies from other places. This bag full of random items that are just freebies, and some click its. Just a really cool bag to get. So shout out to Visionary, and thank you for the bag of goodies with my order. Thanks for watching.